Hello, yes, go ahead. What was your name? What company are you from?
Home appliance cover.
Yes, and your name, please.
Sean.
Yes, and our washing machine warranty is expired, you say?
Yeah, it's expired.
Really? Okay. Well, that's strange. I thought I just renewed that.
Yes, this is a call to renew that.
I'm sure I've just done that. Really? And you say it's for the apple eye washer? Hello?
Pardon? Pardon?
It's for the apple eye washer, yes?
Yes, that is hot point washing machine.
No, I've got an apple eye washer.
You don't have a hot point washing machine.
No, and you're a fucking scammer, mate, because we don't have a fucking warranty with you. So how can we renew it?
No, sir. Sorry for the wrong information, okay?
Sorry for the wrong information. You're a fucking scammer, mate. You are. You're a fucking scammer. What do you say to that?
No, sir. We got the
You're
wrong
not a fucking
information.
scammer. Why are you calling me then? With a warranty what's expired, which we do not have.
Okay, sorry. Bye.
Bye, motherfucker.